Apples. Apples. 2 for a dime. Apples. 2 for a nickel. Anybody? Apples?
I just got this mop back there in the alley.
Good, there's supposed to be a whole bunch from running out to 14th Street. Come on.
Poor boy, did they hurt you? Oh, they're after you, ain't they? Well, they're after me too. But don't worry, I ain't gonna let them get you or me. I'll take care of you. Everything's gonna be fine for both of us. Not today. Well, the sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun. Just thinking about tomorrow clears away the cobwebs and the sorrow till there's none. When I'm stuck with a day that's gray and lonely, I'll just stick up my chin and grin and say, oh, the sun will come out tomorrow, so you gotta hang on till tomorrow. Come what may, tomorrow, tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow, you're always a day away.
There, little girl, come here.
Yes, officer?
That dog there, ain't I seen him running around? Ain't he a stray?
A stray? No, sir, he's my dog.
Your dog, huh? So what's his name?
His name? His name is Sandy, that's it. I call it Sandy because of his nice sandy color.
Sandy color. Okay, let's see him come to his name.
I mean, when I call him.
Yes, when you call him by his name. Sandy.
Well, you see, officer, I just got him and sometimes he just doesn't. Okay. Here, Sandy. Here, boy. Sandy. Sandy! Good Sandy. Good old Sandy.
Well, maybe he is your dog, but next time when I see him, I want to see him with a license, or else I take him to the pound and put him to sleep. You understand?
Yes, sir, I understand. With a license.
Okay, now get along before you catch your death of cold in this winter.
Well, I don't mind the weather. When I'm stuck with a day that's gray and lonely, I'll just stick up my chin and grin and say, oh, the sun will come out tomorrow, so you gotta hang on till tomorrow. Come what may, tomorrow, tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow, you're always a day away. Tomorrow, tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow, you're always a day
I need some more wood for the penthouse. Hey, Enid, come give me a hand. Enid! Enid!
Leave us alone, ya. Lousy.
Sophie, this junk ready yet?
Patience, patience.
Make way for John D. Rockefeller.
How'd it go today, Al?
7 million people in this city. You can't sell one lousy apple.
That figures.
Excuse me, folks. Excuse me. Did anybody here leave a red-headed kid at an orphanage 11 years ago?
Not me, kid.
Ladies and gents, dinner is served.
Hey, the soup's on. Hey, kid, you hungry?
No. But my dog is.
Here, kid. Eat your fill.
Thanks, lady.
Hey, kid, what you doing this time of night?
I'm looking for my parents. They're lost.
How long have you been looking for them?
11 years.
No, that's lost.
Hey, kid. It's time to give up.
No, I'm gonna find them.
Something I haven't heard of since 1928.
What?
Optimism.
Optimism? What do we gotta be optimistic for? Look around. Life's a nightmare.
Well, you gotta have a dream.
Traffic rattling overhead all night.
To wake you up from your nightmare.
Empty pockets.
At least you got pockets.
Freezing fingers.
Like you got them empty pockets.
Newspapers for blankets.
You can read in bed.
Kid, you should have been a politician.
Yeah, you should have run against Roosevelt.
Hey, listen to this. Former President Herbert Hoover said today in an interview, though I'm in no way personally responsible for the 1929 stock market crash, I have the deepest sympathy for the millions who are now ragged, hungry, and homeless.
Ragged, hungry,